What's up, YouTube? Hello, I am Gabriel, and I am here to show y'all how my broke ass makes money every month. And I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. So, I'll be back right to the video. Let's get it. Woo! What's up, YouTube? This is Gabriel Cannon, and I'm here to show you guys how to basically make free money. And I know there's a lot of people out there. Free money? What do you mean free money, man? Yes, free money, man. Flipping couches. See that? Flipping that couch. I'm gonna freaking clean it, sell it hopefully today, start putting it up for sale. And yeah, guys, let's see how it goes. I'm gonna show you guys a progress through this, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make some money. Let me tell you guys a little bit about this couch. A lady, she was just trying to get rid of it on Facebook Market. So I was like, hey, let me try to flip that. So let's see how it goes, guys. This is a rip off where you can rip off the actual fabric and put it to clean, which is like the best thing ever. And I also just got a sectional couch that I'm going to show you guys right now that I just got. Bow. These are the other couches that I got for free. I found this one next to my house for free 99, actually. Free 99, can you believe it? A sectional couch. I'm gonna see if I can resell this for a little bit more than I got it for and make some money. Woo! So what I'm doing to clean this right now, I'm just vacuuming, and the products I'm using are OxiClean carpet and rug stain remover. Works very well for couches. And I'm also using ammonia. You can get this at Home Depot for like $5. $5. I found this laying around my house. And vacuum cleaner. Basically all you need to basically start making money, man. Household items that can make you thousands. And let's keep it going, guys. Make some money. Just came here to another location with my homie Tony. And we just picked up some other couches to flip. Couch flipping. Let's see how it goes. We'll show you the progress later. Peace. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm on my way right now to deliver a couch. I actually got one sold the first day I actually got it. And yeah, guys, just like that, I just sold one. Woo! YouTube, I just sold the sectional couch that I got for free. And look what I got here. $205 from $0. $0. And I just wanted to make this video to show the world you can make money and not have a job. You don't need a job. You really don't. People need to go out there, enjoy their lives, and have fun. And I believe in that. And that's what I want to do. So I'm here showing you guys how to make money from nothing. And I know there's a lot of people out there who are struggling with money and they need some extra cash. And this is the perfect thing to do. Anybody could do it. All you need is a car and some furniture, anything. You can flip anything on Facebook Market. And that's what I'm going to be showing you guys next. Peace out. And you guys saw my purchase from $0 to $105 in 2 days. Have a good one, guys. Peace out. What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys how I found those couches that I'm reselling. So basically, I just type in free couch, and couches like this, as you're seeing right now, will pop up. Some of them are messy, some of them are pretty clean. You just have to see what's near you and what's not. Like this right here, you can find some pretty good stuff. Like this isn't bad. This is just a sofa. But you can find some pretty good stuff like I did and my partner. See, like this is a pretty nice couch in Homestead, very close to where I live personally. And when I grabbed these items, to resell them, I go here on Facebook Messenger, and this is how people respond to me. Basically, they say if it's still available, I say yes. So my secret onto selling these couches really fast is I'll have my listings set like this. Give me a second. On my listings, I'll put free delivery 10 miles or less. I put need gone today because right now I'm trucking with my friend as my side job. But yeah, guys, just put free delivery 10 miles or less, and that's the seller. Once people see that, they're like, oh, really? It's free delivery? Wow. And they see it's a bang for a buck, so they hit me up. And yeah, this is how I get people. They send me the address and say yes. And for this one, I got it for free, and I resold it for $205. And thank God, I sold it, guys, within a day. And so that's how you guys do it. And I'm gonna be showing you guys my partner right now, and he'll tell you his experience with selling these couches. What's up, y'all? I'm here with Anthony, or AKA Tony Tone, and he's here to tell you guys about his experience flipping couches.
What's up, everybody? It's Tony. Pretty much, I picked up a couch. Someone paid me to pick it up for $20, so I was like, fuck it, why not? And I went, I picked it up, and I took it home, I cleaned it up, I vacuumed it, I took off the smell from off of it, and posted on Facebook for $200 with free delivery, obviously. And then I ended up selling it for $180 in less than 24 hours.
Less than 24 hours.
Technically, I made $200 because of the $20 they gave me to go get the couch in the first place.
Yep.
So yeah, it's pretty easy, guys. You just gotta hustle hard and get it done.
You just gotta have the drive. You gotta get up and do it.
Yep.
There you go. You see, made money, man. We making money. Yeah. And you guys can do it too. Just don't hold yourself back. Even if you have a smaller car, just always remember, if you don't have a car to do this, you can also go and rent a truck from do you know that rental place?
Or borrow a truck from a friend.
Or borrow a truck from a friend. And they do rent trucks for $20 at U-Haul. So if it's less than an hour, you can actually rent a truck for $20. And if you think about it, those $20, if you get a sectional couch and you go another day, it's gonna be probably like $40 or so. But you're gonna be making a profit of probably around, like, normally we sell couches and sofas for $100 to $200, $300, sometimes $1,000. And just those $40 being invested to get a truck, you can get it flipped, and you can get it $160 like flip from that. So if you guys really think about it, it's a great profit. From going from $0 to getting something to $200 is an amazing flip. So anybody can do it. If you guys have a family member who has a truck or a van, you can also use that. Or if you guys don't have either of those, you guys can always go to U-Haul and rent one for $20. And hopefully you guys can resell it the same day. And yeah, man, have a great day, guys. That's the end of this video. And to the next video, I'll show you guys how to make more money, man. Let's get to it. Peace out. And this is Gabe, and this is Anthony. And we the money making machines, baby.